Welcome back to DerivNavigatorAcademy. So, in this video, I'll be giving you tips for trading this week, and these tips mostly apply to beginner traders and even all traders in general, especially those in Deriv. Yeah, especially those in Deriv. But it also applies to also those in other platforms. So, first things first, if you are a new trader, never give somebody your account to manage. First thing, you are new, so you don't understand the platform correctly. And then you're using your money to deposit, and then you're giving somebody your account to manage. First thing, the person managing this account can con you. How? Now, when you're a new trader and then you give somebody your account, it means you do not understand how the platform works. And so this guy can use any explanation or any faulty explanations to tell you that your money was lost because of this, because of that. And in real sense, he just wants your money. So please, if you are a new trader, I beg you, never give somebody your account to manage for you. Come and learn here, practice in demo. After you practice in demo, ask me questions on the areas of the strategy I taught you that you don't understand. After you do that, deposit, and then you start trading, okay? But make sure first you learn strategies and then you practice, okay? Now, second things is first, I usually get very saddened when I see my students losing money, because losing money in trading is a big downer. So how do you ensure you don't lose your money? When you learn a new strategy, never ever go and apply it to your real account directly. I repeat, whenever you learn of a new strategy, never ever go to your real account and use the strategy on your real account. What do I mean by this? So, when you learn a strategy, let's say it's over 3 or under 7, go to demo and practice on demo. Practice first manually, then practice with a bot. And then once you've practiced enough, and then you ask questions on the areas you don't understand, and then now you go and trade. Okay, I hope you have understood that, because even me, I was a victim to that. So you're not alone. I would learn a new strategy and then I deposit immediately, use the strategy without understanding it, and then I lose my money. So I hope you've understood that. And another thing is what else? So okay, so those were the, I don't think, is there something else? No. Those two areas were the areas that were highly, so the depositing part and the part for people just losing their money. First, you lose your money because you don't understand the strategy correctly. You might see a strategy working for a trader, but it's not working for you. Why? Because the trader has perfected on it, has learned how to time it. So go and practice on demo, practice manually, practice with a bot. Once you are sure, you practice with your real account. Don't give your account to anybody to manage for you. If they learned and were able to manage your account, you can also do it. All right, you're all human beings, you have the same capacity. Believe in yourself, go learn, practice, and then trade. And for all traders who are trading this week, I wish you a happy trading week. I'll post a video on Wednesday and on Saturday, and Friday. And so yeah, happy week, happy trading. My number is in the bio. If you need a bot and you don't have any money, just hit me up. My number is in the bio. Click on the link to join my WhatsApp group and then say, send me a bot. Just say that and a bot will be sent. I hope you found that helpful. I hope that will make you knowledgeable. And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share this video. It really motivates me to keep pushing and educating you on various issues on trading. Thank you for watching. Have a good trading week and good luck.